10 plant myths that are killing your houseplants. Watering on a schedule. Water needs change based on season, humidity, and plant type. Stick your finger in the soil instead. Misting increases humidity. Misting only helps for a few minutes. Use a humidifier for real results. Bottom watering is better. No, it can cause salt buildup if not alternated with top watering. A south-facing window is always best. Some plants get scorched. East or filtered light is better for many. Rocks at the bottom for drainage. This actually creates a perched water table. No drainage benefit. Reuse soil from dead plants. Old soil could contain pathogens or pest eggs. Bake it, refresh it, or toss it. Repotting right after buying a plant. Let it adjust first unless it's root-bound or in bad soil. More fertilizer equals faster growth. Overfeeding causes root burn and weak growth. Follow label instructions. Eggshells are great for calcium. They decompose very slowly and aren't bioavailable unless processed. Neem oil works on everything. It doesn't work on eggs or all pests. It's part of a strategy, not a cure-all. Brilliant DIY plant hacks. You can try at home. Travel watering hack. Place a glass jar inside a plastic bowl. Fill the bowl with water. Put the plant pot on top of the jar. Now take 2 small nails, tie a cotton thread between them. Stick one nail in the soil and drop the other in the water. The thread slowly wicks moisture into the pot, keeping the plant hydrated while you're away. Paint your planter. Take any plain cement or clay pot and paint it. Use bright colors, patterns, or anything that matches your style. It's an easy way to customize your garden or indoor plant space without spending extra money. Sweet potato vine. Stick a sweet potato in a glass of water. In a few days, roots will form. Soon after, leafy vines will grow. You can pot it or hang it. It becomes a great trailing houseplant from a kitchen leftover. Stone cheek planter. Wrap foam tubing around a plastic bucket. Brush some cement mix lightly over it for a more textured, aged look. The result? A high-end looking planter made from basic items. Pressed flower frame. Tie 4 sticks into a square using twine. Tape clear packing tape across the back. On the sticky front side, press small flowers in a nice arrangement. Hang it as natural wall art.